Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do something a little bit different. Now I'm gonna record actually a short video which is like under 1 minute video, and I'm gonna sketch a Jaguar F-Type. Like I will say, hey guys, I'm gonna sketch a Jaguar F-Type under 45 seconds kind of video, and I want to show you behind the scenes. First of all, the goal of this kind of videos is not to be a designer. Like it's not about being a designer or something. Like you will probably almost never ask to sketch something under 1 minute and it will be a design or something. It's only for fun, it's only for entertainment. So if you want to do it, if you want to just join me to have just some fun, you can also do the same and let me know. But don't do it as a practice to be a designer or be a better designer or something. Or it's not even about learning car design. It's pure fun. You got the point. So let's start now. I have a Jaguar F-Type here. It's actually only for like a visuals purpose. I love collecting this little Hot Wheels stuff, so that's why is it here. We have our stopwatch on my phone, so we will have the countdown, and here I'm gonna sketch. And most of the times it's not at once, you know, I will just sketch once, and if it doesn't work we will do it again. So you will see everything transparently and you can see what actually goes behind the scenes. So let's try. So I'm gonna give it the first shot. It's kind of exciting because you cannot just edit or something. It will be 45 seconds countdown here. All right, first I'm gonna start with maybe a side view or the rear perspective. Let's go with the rear perspective maybe. Let's see first if it will fit to paper and the camera angle here, and let's try. First I want to drink a little bit of water. All right, here we go. Hey guys, I'm a professional car designer, and today I'm gonna sketch a Jaguar F-Type under 45 seconds. Let's go. So it will be a perspective sketch from the rear view. I put the rear wheel and then the front wheel here. We have this rear muzzle, long hood going here, and then this good coupe silhouette. And Jaguar F-Type has this connection, the rear light, and here we have these elements. And let's give it a double exhaust in the middle. So it's kind of like a typical GT silhouette, let's say. And here, if I remember correct, we can actually see here on this little Hot Wheels model, we have this element. And this is what I did in 45 seconds. Now I'm gonna give it 45 seconds more to see what we can do with it. So this part on this short video, guys, will not be visible because I will speed it up. And as you see, the sketch actually is not good at all. Kinda worked to be a Jaguar F-Type, I have to say. Now we have 20 seconds left, and I actually want to maybe destroy this Hot Wheel package so it can also add some kind of fun. Let's do it on this camera. 10 seconds left. Come on, I really cannot do that. Okay. Here we go. So let me check this camera if we catch it. Yeah, I think it recorded everything. That's kind of spontaneous thing, and when I look at the sketch, it's kind of not bad actually. It's acceptable, I would say, for this kind of short video. It's only for, again, for entertainment and having fun. Now, for you, actually, if I spent a little bit more time, what would happen? I'm curious. Let's spend 45 seconds more to add some reflections. I'm just curious if it will get any better. This would be some side reflections. We can even add some markers or something in this video, maybe. Let me find a couple of markers. Wait, can I stop this? Pause. We have 34 seconds to go. I will get a light tone, like a warm gray marker, and let's go on with the time. I will add the shading on the rear of the car mostly, so it shows us that the light is coming from here, and a couple of reflections on the side. 13 seconds to go, some reflections on the floor maybe. Okay, not bad. What is it, 2 seconds left? And for the final touch, let's give it 45 more seconds. Why not? We are together here. So it started. It said it will not be on this short video. Let's add some hatching here. Okay, I would like to rotate the paper and everything, but because of the camera angle here, this camera and everything else, I don't want to mess up with it. So the sketch suffers a little bit. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So this is how many times we did? 4 times 45 minutes, 45 seconds. So it makes 3 minutes in total. This is a 3 minutes sketch. So that's what happens behind the scenes when I share this kind of short videos. Again, it's only for fun. Please don't take it serious. And because I see some comments like, what kind of car designer are you? Is it the best you can do? Or this kind of things when I published once a Porsche sketch in 30 seconds or 45 seconds, whatever. So don't consider it as like a professional design sketch or something. It's only for fun. And also I want to ask you now if this kind of behind the scene is interesting for you. I can do more like while preparing this 1 minute contents. I can also record this behind the scenes and share with you if you're interested. So let me know down on the comments, and if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you are new and if you're interested in car design. See you in the next video. By the way, I really like this F-Type. It's really nice. Compared to Sketch, it almost works. Good.